Yeah, as I was mentioning, I'll be administering things here, and the two teams can have their own private chat window, so that they will have their own ways and means of discussing within themselves. See, the point is, uh, you people will be given a task, right? For example, at one point of time, let's say, for example, if Mitra is in one team and if Dakshit is in the other team, I would say I would give two teams a particular task. Like I'll give a set of words or set of alphabets, and that alphabet will have its own significance. Like for example, for Mitra's team, I would say F and G, and for Dakshit's team, I would say F and O. Right. So the entire team members of Mitra's team and the entire team members of Dakshit's team have to run all around, and they will have to get an object having these two letters. Like in Mitra's case, something that is starting up with M, something that is finished up with M. In Dakshit's case, something that is starting up with S or something that is starting up with O. Each and every person in Dakshit's team should get an object. You run around the house, you climb up the ladder of the house, you make a wild campus tour of the house, I don't care. So you will have to take it as a maze command and you'll have to bring up the object. So once you bring up the object, there will be a story. And I will be giving you the story and you will associate the story along with the objects and you'll have to explain. So based on the explanation, the teams will get the credits. So this is what is going to be the first round. Okay. Okay. Any questions on this?
Okay, sir.
Sir, can that respective letter be written on something, or should we take the object starting with that letter, sir?
No. There is no point in searching for an object which has got letters engraved on it. Okay. So for example, if it is G, so you bring up a gun toy.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right? So if it is yes, you bring up say something like a soap box. Okay. So soap box, yes. That's what I mean.
Okay, sir.
Right? Yeah, Asutaman.
Sir, you gave us some letters, sir. Three letters, no, sir. From the three letters, the object that we pick should be the starting of that letter and the ending of that letter should be that alphabet should be in the word you have given, sir.
The alphabet has to be in that particular object. That's all. That is the first round.
Okay, sir.
Maybe in the advanced round or the second round, we will go to a state where the object has to start with a letter like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Dakshit.
Sir, I did not understand the last part, sir, about explaining something.
Once you pick up the object, I will say a story, or I would say a case, or I would say a scenario, and you'll have to give a solution for that problematic scenario, and using the objects that you have collected. That is called as a simulation. When I say simulation, what I mean is other people know what is simulation here in this class. Since you have not been part of many of the sessions, you don't know what simulation. Simulation is, if I say a police officer, and if you have got a box that is collected as your team's object, you will have to relate the box with the police officer. Okay, so you will have to give a solution by associating the object as simulation, and you'll have to give the solution for the problem. So to the best extent, what we will do is, whichever team you belong to, the opposite team will do the first narration so that you will get a clear picture of how you are supposed to do. We'll do that way, okay?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Kalpita?
Sir, I have two questions, sir. The first one is, what is the name of this activity, sir?
Virtual maze. It's on the title of the Skype window. Well, virtual maze.
Sir. Sir, and the time limit, sir?
The time limit is, if I give the two objects, maybe we shall have about 5 to 6 minutes for everybody to go on a campus tour of their house. So ideally 5 to 6 minutes should be fine, because everybody will be busy, including Mitra. Everybody will be busy exploring the house, and within 6 minutes you all have to report. So people who have got phone, have the phones with you and have the earphones with you. So follow my instructions and comment. So 6 minutes should be fine.
Okay, sir. Do we have any minimum and maximum number of objects, sir?
No, I'm going to give only 2 objects. So maximum will be 3, not more than 3. It depends. Let us see how people are responding in the first round, and then we will go accordingly.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you say the team leader, sir? Team, sir, so that we can start a group chat, sir. In Skype, sir.
I'm coming.
வீடியோ பிளரா இருக்குன்னு
Yeah.
லக்ஷ்மி